Hi students, this is Botany PSR. Today we will discuss about nucleosome. Of course, it is not in class 11 NCERT. It is present in class 12 NCERT. You may read here only. Okay. What are nucleosomes? Who discovered or who proposed? What are the parts found in them? Okay, right. This nucleosome concept proposed by who proposed means Audet. Nucleosome concept proposed by Audet. Now look at here. This is the chromatin, and here and there the bead-like structures. These are the beads. So these bead-like structures are called nucleosomes. This is nothing but chromatin. So what are nucleosomes means? The beads on chromatin. The beads-like structures on chromatin are called nucleosomes. Nucleosome concept proposed by Audet. Right. If we see under electron microscope, what is its structure? Each nucleosome. Let us suppose this is one nucleosome. This is another nucleosome. This is another nucleosome. Now I am drawing one turn, second turn, one turn, second turn, one turn, second turn, like that. This is nucleosome 1. This is nucleosome 2. This is nucleosome 3. What are the parts of nucleosome? These are the two turns of DNA. Two turns of DNA. And this part is called octamer, also called core. Okay. And this nucleosome and this is another nucleosome. Between DNA is present. This DNA is called linker DNA, also called internucleosomal DNA. Internucleosomal DNA, also called spacer DNA. The DNA present in between two successive nucleosomes is called linker DNA, also called internucleosomal DNA, also called spacer DNA. Now this is the core or octamer. That octamer is wrapped by, surrounded by how many turns means? This is one turn, this is another turn. How many turns of DNA? 2 turns of DNA. Now look at here. This is one octamer. So that is, here it is H2A, H2B, H3, H4. This is so called octamer, also called core. Octo means 8. Here H2A, this one total 2 copies. This side one, back side another one. H2B, front side one, back side another one. H3, front side one, back side another one. H4, front side one, back side another one. Total how many histone proteins are there? 8 histone proteins. Each one 2 copies. So 2 copies of each H2A, H2B, H3, H4. Each one how many copies? 2 copies. In this diagram only one is visible. Another one back side is there. So this is so called core or octamer. Core means this one. This core or octamer is wrapped by how many turns of DNA? 2 turns of DNA. The DNA present in between two nucleosomes is called linker DNA. Where the DNA enters, where the DNA leaves, the DNA is sealed by that is H1 histone protein. Where the DNA enters, where the DNA leaves, that DNA is sealed by H1 histone protein. Where the DNA enters, where the DNA leaves, that was sealed by H1 histone protein. One nucleosome contains one octamer. One nucleosome contains one H1 histone protein. One nucleosome contains 2 turns of DNA. One nucleosome contains one octamer. This octamer contains number of histone proteins means 8 histone proteins. 8 histone proteins. Now H2A, H2A, H2B, H2A and H2B are lysine rich amino acids, and H3, H4 are arginine rich. Arginine rich. So that is H2A is a histone protein. Protein is a polymer of amino acids. In that, lysine amino acids are more in number. That is the meaning of this one. H3, H4, these are nothing but proteins. Proteins are the polymer of amino acids. These two proteins contain major amount of arginine. Arginine. So lysine rich proteins are H2A, H2B. Arginine rich proteins are H3, H4. Okay. So which histone protein seals the 2 turns of DNA where the DNA enters and leaves the core means H1 histone protein. Here this is the core. This core or octamer. Octo means 8. Octo means 8. Octamer means how many histone proteins are there? 8 histone proteins. 8 histone proteins. How many types means 4 types of histone proteins. 4 types of histone proteins. So H2A how many copies? 2 copies. H2B 2 copies. H3 2 copies. H4 2 copies. Total number of histone proteins means 8. Types of histone proteins in the core or octamer means 4 types. Okay. So that is each nucleosome contains octamers. Octamer is also called core. How many? 1. Then nucleosome is to octamer or core is equal to 1:1. Ratio between nucleosome and octamer is 1:1. Next, this octamer is also called core. Core contains H2A 2, H2B 2, H3 2, H4 2. These two together called H2. 2A 2B together called H2. Total how many? 2 plus 2. 4. H2A 2, H2B 2, H3 2, H4 2. H2 means H2A and H2B together called H2. Next one. Each nucleosome contains number of H1 histone proteins 1. Number of H1 histone proteins in each nucleosome means 1. That is nucleosome. Nucleosome is to H1 histone protein means 1:1. 1:1. Okay. Number of histone proteins. Number of histone proteins. Number of histone proteins means 8 histone proteins. Number of histone proteins in octamer or core of nucleosome. Number of histone proteins in the core. Core means this one. Core means this one. How many histone proteins are present? 8. If the question is chromatin fragment or chromatin thread means outside H1 also we have to add. Number of histone proteins in the core or octamer means this 8. Chromatin, number of histone proteins in chromatin thread or chromatin fragment or chromatin means outside H1 histone protein also we have to add. 8 plus 1, 9, like that you have to say. Number of H1 histone proteins in chromatin or chromatin thread or fragment. Chromatin or chromatin thread or chromatin fragment of nucleosome. That means we have to say 9. Number of histone proteins in the octamer means we have to say 8. Okay, did you understand, my dear students? Octamer means we have to say 8. Chromatin or chromatin thread or chromatin fragment of nucleosome means 9. Types of histone proteins in octamer of nucleosome. Types of histone proteins means we have to say 4 types. Number of types of histone proteins in octamer of nucleosome. Next, types of histone proteins in chromatin or chromatin thread or fragment of nucleosome. Nucleosome is equal to 5. So like this we have to calculate. Okay, right, that is here. Now look at here, my dear students. This is the two terms of DNA. This is the two terms of DNA. This part is so called nucleosome bead. Nucleosome bead, which contains 146 base pairs. This is so called nucleosome bead, and this is called linker DNA. Linker DNA means which contains number of base pairs means 54 base pairs. How many? 54 base pairs. Together 146 plus 54. Together 200. So that is 200 base pairs in a typical nucleosome. Now look at here, my dear students. Typical nucleosome. Typical nucleosome contains number of base pairs means 200 base pairs. Typical nucleosome contains 200 base pairs. And next, nucleosome. Nucleosome bead. Nucleosome bead contains how many means 146 base pairs. And linker DNA. Linker DNA, also called internucleosomal DNA, also called spacer DNA. This contains (54) base pairs. Typical nucleosome contains number of base pairs 200. Nucleosome bead of nucleosome contains 146 base pairs. Linker DNA contains 54 base pairs. So total how many means? Total how many? 200 base pairs. 200 base pairs in typical nucleosome. Typical nucleosome. This is very, very important. Number of base pairs in a typical nucleosome or nucleosome means 200. Number of base pairs in bead of nucleosome 146. Number of base pairs in linker DNA means 54. 146 plus 54, 200. So try to focus on these 2 points, my dear students. Number of base pairs in a typical nucleosome 200. Typical nucleosome or nucleosome. Number of base pairs in a bead of nucleosome 146. Okay, did you understand? Right. Now, what are the parts? Parts of nucleosome. Parts of nucleosome. That is, it contains octamer or core. This core or octamer contains 8 histone proteins. How many histone proteins? This octamer or core contains 8 histone proteins. That is 2 copies of each H2A H2B, H3, H4. Two copies of each H2A, H2B, H3, H4. That is the octamer. Octo means 8, no? 8 histone proteins. Next, how many turns of DNA? That is 2 turns of DNA. 2 turns of DNA. This 2 turns of DNA, that is typical nucleosome. Typical nucleosome contains how many base pairs? 200 base pairs. Typical nucleosome contains number of base pairs means 200, and number of base pairs in nucleosome bead. Number of base pairs in a nucleosome bead means 146 base pairs. Number of base pairs in linker DNA is equal to 54 base pairs. And what is the third part means? Outside the core or octamer contains one H1 histone protein. This H1 histone protein seals the 2 turns of where it enters and leaves the core. So, which type of histone protein seals the 2 turns of DNA? Where it enters and leaves the core means H1 histone protein. Number of H1 histone proteins in each nucleosome means 1. So, parts of nucleosome means 3 parts. Octamer or core contains 8 histone proteins, 2 copies of each, H2A, H2B, H3, H4. Next, how many turns of DNA it contains? 2 turns of DNA. Typical nucleosome contains number of base pairs 200. Number of base pairs in a bead of nucleosome means 146. Number of base pairs in linker DNA, also called internucleosomal DNA, also called spacer DNA, 54. Together 200 now. Next, outside the core, outside the octamer contains only one histone protein called H1. Which histone protein seals the 2 turns of DNA, where the DNA enters and leaves the core? That is called H1 histone protein. Okay, please note down all these points, my dear students. Now look at here, my dear students. What are the points come under nucleosome? The beads on chromatin are called. The beads on chromatin are called nucleosomes. The basic and structural units of chromatin are called nucleosomes. The basic and structural units of life are called cells. Okay. Next, octamer histone proteins means one octamer contains number of histone proteins 1:8. Right. Linker DNA, also called internucleosomal DNA, also called spacer DNA. What is that definition means? The DNA that is present in between two successive nucleosomes is called linker DNA. The DNA present between two successive nucleosomes is called internucleosomal DNA or spacer DNA or linker DNA. It contains number of H1 histone proteins means one histone protein, one H1 histone protein. Number of H1 histone proteins in linker DNA means 1. It contains how many base pairs? 54 base pairs. Number of base pairs in a typical nucleosome 200. Number of base pairs in a bead of nucleosome means 146. We are studying in terms of base pairs. If they ask nucleotides means we have to say double. Number of nucleotides in a typical nucleosome 200 into 2, 400. Number of base pairs in a bead of nucleosome 146. Number of nucleotides in a nucleosome bead 146 into 2, 292. Number of base pairs in linker DNA 54 base pairs. Number of nucleotides in linker DNA 54 into 2, 108. Like that, base pairs means typical nucleosome 200. Base pairs in a nucleosome bead 146. Number of base pairs in linker DNA 54. Right, DNA is always negative charge, whereas histone proteins are always positive charge. That's why both negative charge and positive charge are get to be packaged. Packaging materials. Materials to be packaged means one will be the negative charge, other will be the positive charge. Negative charge is DNA. Positive charge are histone proteins. Okay. Now let us calculate for 10 nucleosomes. For 10 nucleosomes, number of histone proteins in octamer of 10 nucleosomes. Here the question is octamer. Octamer means we have to calculate related to octamer. Number of histone proteins means in octamer means 8. 10 nucleosomes means 10 into 8, 80. Number of histone proteins, HP means histone proteins. Number of histone proteins in chromatin thread or chromatin fragment in 10 nucleosomes means 10 into 9, 90. Core means we have to say 8. Chromatin thread, chromatin fragment means we have to add outside H1 histone protein also. Inside the core 8, outside the core 1 histone protein, 1 H1 histone protein. Total 8 plus 1, 9. Number of octamers of 10 nucleosomes. 1 nucleosome contains 1 octamer. 10 nucleosomes contain 10 octamers. Number of H1 histone proteins in chromatin thread or fragment of 10 nucleosomes. 1 nucleosome contains 1 H1 histone protein. 10 nucleosomes contain 10 H1 histone proteins. Now here the question is types. Types means whatever the types are found in first one nucleosome, other nucleosomes also possess same types. So no change in types. Okay. Number of types of histone proteins in octamer of 10 nucleosomes means 4 we have to say. Don't say 10 into 4. Okay. Don't say 10 into 8. Types means 4 types. Here the question is core, no? Next. Number of types of histone proteins in chromatin thread or fragment of 10 nucleosomes means 5. Don't say 10 into 5 or 10 into 9. Types means only 5 types in chromatin thread. Number of types of H1 histone proteins in 10 nucleosomes. That is only one type. H1, 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 H1. Types of H1 means one type. Types of histone proteins in chromatin thread of 10 nucleosomes means 5. 5. Number of types of histone proteins in the core of 10 nucleosomes means types means 4. Okay, right. Let us calculate another problem. 2000 base pairs are present in chromatin. How many base pairs are given? 2000 base pairs are present in chromatin. Then number of nucleosomes, how many? Number of histone proteins in chromatin thread, how many? Number of histone proteins in their core or octamer, how many? Let us calculate. That is number of nucleosomes. What they ask? Number of nucleosomes. For one nucleosome, how many base pairs are present? 200 base pairs are present. Here how many base pairs are given? 2000 base pairs. How many nucleosomes it contains? That is 2000 into 1 divided by 20. 200. So that is equal to 10 nucleosomes. 10 nucleosomes. Okay, next. Number of histone proteins in chromatin thread. Number of histone proteins. That is, how many nucleosomes came? 10 nucleosomes. 10 nucleosomes obtained. Number of histone proteins in chromatin thread, no? Chromatin thread means outside H1 also we have to add. That is, one nucleosome contain 9 histone proteins. Therefore, 10 nucleosomes contain, that is equal to 10 into 9, that is equal to 90 histone proteins. 90 histone proteins. Next, number of histone proteins in their core or octamer. That is, one nucleosome contain how many histone proteins? 8 histone proteins in octamer. Therefore, 10 nucleosomes is equal to how many? That is equal to 10 into 8. That is equal to 80 histone proteins. Okay. Now, another question, my dear students. How many nucleosomes are found in a typical mammalian cell? That means in this question, we have to know the number of base pairs in a typical mammalian cell. It will come in class 12 lesson, molecular base of inheritance. Number of base pairs in a typical mammalian cell is 6.6 into 10 power 9 base pairs. This is constant number. You have to remember this number. Number of base pairs in a typical mammalian cell is 6.6 into 10 power 9 base pairs. For 200 base pairs, one nucleosome means 6.6 into 10 power 9 base pairs. How many nucleosomes? 6.6 into 10 power 9 into 1 divided by 200. That is equal to 3.3 into 10 power 7 nucleosomes. That is equal to 33 into 10 power 6 nucleosomes. 10 power 6 is so called million. That is equal to 33 million nucleosomes. I hope, do you understand this matter, my dear students? I hope you understood. Okay. So, what are the few points means? The beads on chromatin are called nucleosomes. The basic and structural units of chromatin are called nucleosomes. The term nucleosome concept proposed by Audet. Number of base pairs in a typical nucleosome 200. number of base pairs in nucleosome bead 146, number of base pairs in linker DNA 54, number of histone proteins in the octamer of one nucleosome 8, number of histone proteins in the chromatin thread of one nucleosome 9. That is outside the core H1 histone protein is present. That one also we have to add. Next one, one nucleosome contains number of octamers 1. One nucleosome contains number of H1 histone proteins 1. That is ratio between nucleosome and octamer 1:1. Ratio between nucleosome and H1 histone protein 1:1. Ratio between octamer and histone proteins 1:8. Okay, I hope you understood this matter, my dear students. Please note down all these points and we will meet in the next class.